Hi, this is Tim Santoni and welcome to the show. Today we're talking about vehicle sighting reports and how they could be useful in cases that previously required resource-intensive surveillance. Again, my name is Tim Santoni and welcome to the show. I'm an investigator here based in Orange County. I have an investigation and background screening firm, and I'm passionate about helping clients mitigate risk in their business and help litigators get evidence they need to win their next case. There's a great tool that we're taking advantage of called the Vehicle Sighting Report. This is a report that allows us to track the whereabouts of a vehicle over months or even years of time. This is a great alternative in cases involving potential Family Medical Leave Act violations. You're wondering about your salesperson and what they may be up to. It also works in infidelity cases and a variety of other situations where you want to track the whereabouts of an individual and see if they're interacting with, meeting with, or sharing information with people they shouldn't be. So a vehicle sighting report can be a great tool to lead you to the next investigative task, which could be surveillance. These reports are great to get preliminary intelligence that guides your next decision, whether it's in a litigation matter, a personal matter, or in a situation where you're mistrusting someone that you're in business with. So again, if you want more information about a vehicle sighting report, we'll link up our information in the show notes below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we look forward to connecting with you very soon. Thanks.